To delete your DigitalOcean account, follow these steps. Log in. Go to the DigitalOcean website and log into your account. Delete all resources. Before deleting your account, you must delete all active resources to stop any ongoing charges. From the dashboard, navigate to the Droplets or Resources section. Click the three dots next to each resource and choose Destroy to delete it. Repeat this process for all resources such as droplets, volumes, load balancers, or managed databases. Settle billing. Go to the billing section and ensure that all your invoices are paid and no pending charges remain. You will be billed for any usage during the current billing period, even after deleting resources. Close your account. Navigate to account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Scroll down to the Danger Zone section. Click Close Account and confirm that you want to permanently delete your DigitalOcean account. Account deletion confirmation. After confirming, your account will be deleted. You will receive an email from DigitalOcean confirming that your account has been closed and all associated data is removed.